Hi, my name is Sydney Harrington and my passion is fashion. One of my favorite designers, Thierry Mugler, said, "I made clothes because I was looking for something that didn't exist. I had to try to create my own world." I love this quote because when I'm sketching my own designs, I feel like I'm creating my own world too. Fashion is my passion because learning about different fabrics and other fashion designers is the only thing that excites me. Ever since I was little, I loved fashion. I remember my mom getting me a Tweety Bird sketchbook set that had color pencils and glitter. I would sketch little outfits and draw pictures on it all day. I also remember when I was a kid, I wanted to be a fashion designer / judge. I planned everything out. By day, I would be a judge, wearing my own designs underneath my robe, of course. By night, I would put on fashion shows. I think I got the idea from Hannah Montana or something. I knew I wanted to be a fashion designer when I was a kid, but my passion for fashion was confirmed when I took a fashion merchandising course in high school. The fashion merchandising course was my favorite class in all 4 years of high school. We would learn about the hard work that went into putting on Fashion Week. We also learned about different job opportunities in the fashion industry. We even got to put on our own fashion show. Even though students laughed at us and we were so embarrassed, I was still proud of myself and my other classmates for putting on the fashion show. My fashion merchandising class made me determined to get into the fashion industry in any way possible. I honestly feel like my purpose in life is to be a fashion designer or another fashion profession. Fashion is the only thing that makes me happy, and I can't imagine myself doing anything else. I could spend hours looking at fashion magazines or cute outfits on Pinterest. I use my fashion sense to express myself. When I have a cute outfit on, I feel so confident and powerful. When I sketch my designs and create my own garments, I feel very accomplished and that I am one step closer to being a fashion designer. When I think about one day being completely immersed in the fashion industry, it gives me the hope and drive to keep working hard to achieve my dreams. I can't wait for the day when my designs are in retail stores on the runway. One of my dreams is to attend New York Fashion Week and experience the fashion industry firsthand, and maybe even meet my favorite designers. And then one day my designs will be on that runway.